I'm going to take your speaking test after 2 months. And first, how are you today?
I'm doing great, sir.
Thank you. What's your name, please?
My name is Shakib Sheikh. My friends and family members call me Shakib. If you feel comfortable with this name, you can call me Shakib.
Where are you from?
I am from Gopalganj.
What's your future plan?
I want to go abroad for my higher study.
Which country would you like to go?
I would like to go Australia. It's my dream country.
Could you tell me something about your family? How many family members do you have?
I have 4 family members, my father, my mother, my elder brother, including me. My father is a worker, my mother is a homemaker, my brother is a student, and I am also a student.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice English every day. When I get free time, I practice English. It's my favorite hobby.
Do you love reading books?
Yes, I love reading books because it makes me happy.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
Well, do you love taking tea?
Yes, I love taking tea and I love green tea.
Do you have any best friend?
I have a best friend, his name is Rakib.
Okay, what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Cricket. Do you love playing cricket?
Yes, I love playing cricket.
So after coming here, right now you have improved a lot. You can speak in English.
Yes.
And what's your opinion about Rahat's English Care?
Rahat's English Care is the best coaching center because when I came here, I could not speak English, but right now I can speak English fluently.
Fluently, and as well as you have improved your accent, right?
Yes, sir.
Also, you are improving. Inshallah, you will do better.